A day in my life as a content creator, 12 years old. For today's video, guys, I am chef for today, guys. I'm cooking seafood. First is oil. Second is garlic. At third is shrimp. At the fourth one is green shell. And put and mix all the seafood mix. Shrimp at green shell. I'm gonna mix and mix and mix and mix until the seafood is done. Today is Sunday and no school. I'm done on my assignment. My tita helped me to cook. Thank you, tita, for teaching me how to cook seafood. I want to learn how to cook seafoods and now I'm ready good. I decide to cook now because I don't have homework. And I know, by the way, I'm done on my homework. I'm gonna mix and mix and the corn is not done yet. I'm gonna put it and done. The corn is not ready yet. Okay. I'm gonna mix and mix and mix and mix and more mix and more mix and more mix and more mix. It's too early it's 12 o'clock. I'm gonna yes, like that. Yeah, at the plate I'm gonna put there because it's dirty now. My hair is so very gulo-gulo kaya ayun, nagpatagalog tuloy tayo. Kaya nilagay ko yung corn. Tapos, ayun, dandahan, baka malaglag. Ang sayang naman kapag malaglag, di ba? At now, I'm gonna cook now. At, malapit na siya maluto. Kaya, ayun, nagpatagalog tuloy tayo, guys. Done to cook, ready to eat. Bye, guys!